Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about the things I'm going to be buying less of or not buying at all in 2020. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. But before you do, make sure you subscribe down below. The first thing that I'll be buying less of in 2020 is clothing. I really want to purchase fewer items of clothing and way more high quality items of clothing. I don't want to be shopping at Forever 21. I don't think I've shopped there in like a year or more, so that's good. I don't want to shop at H&M too much, maybe a little bit, but for the most part, H&M is very disposable stuff. So basically anywhere where the clothes are not going to last and I'm going to be getting rid of them after a season, I don't want to shop there anymore. My biggest fast fashion purchases come from Target. I love Target clothes. I've always loved Target clothes and they have just gotten cuter with the years. Unfortunately, I feel like the quality has gone down, and I've talked about this before, but it's just not lasting me. I get rid of things after like a season of wear because they just don't look great. They don't really look wearable to me anymore. And as much as I'd love to wear something for years, I don't think that in my profession I can wear things that look worn out. So I either need to replace these things or I need to buy things that will stay better looking for long. If I'm going to choose, I would rather be buying better quality less often and have it last me longer. The next thing that I would like to fully eliminate, this one's definitely a fully eliminate sort of one, is buying water bottles. For 2019, I bought as few water bottles as possible. I probably bought less than 10 total, which is pretty good, but I would like to buy 0. I have a refillable water bottle that I try to take with me to work. Sometimes I forget it and then I end up buying a water bottle, but I really want to be better about not doing that and remember my water bottle every day, refill it every day. Something that I would like to buy less of is beauty products. I feel like I have too many, and currently I'm trying to use everything I have. If I use everything I have before I buy anything else, just by doing that alone, I'll totally buy less. I tend to like buy something because I see it and it's new and I want to try it, or I'm not like the biggest fan of the one I have, but I really want to try to completely finish things before I buy a new one. So like my face lotion right now, not my favorite, but I'm gonna finish it out. Once it's done, I'll get something new. Until then, I'm not getting something new. Right now I have like 2 or 3 face washes. I'm not gonna buy any until they're all gone because that's how I end up with 3 face washes. This year, I am going to buy less decor for the house. There was definitely this time where I felt like I wanted to decorate our house and it really needed to look cute, and I was always buying decor items, just things to put on the wall or flowers. And at this point, I feel like I like what I have and I pretty much have everything I could want. So like there's really no reason to like go out and buy, maybe I'll buy a couple of picture frames, but there's really no reason to go out and buy more decor. At this point, our apartment is decorated, it looks cute, it represents us, so it's sort of like mission accomplished on that one. I probably have as much decor as we could possibly fit in this 2-bedroom apartment. And that concludes the 4 things that I'm going to buy less of or not buy at all in 2020. Thanks for watching.